I'm Jennifer Wood, President and your go-to luxury travel advisor for all things river cruise. Planning your next European adventure, river cruises offer unparalleled access to the heart of Europe's beauty and culture. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 river routes you absolutely can't miss. Stick around until the end. I'll share my favorite hidden gem that many travelers overlook. If this is your first time seeing this video or watching our channel, please share the love, hit that like and subscribe button below. Okay, let's get started. My number 1 river cruise route and a top favorite for many is the Danube River. Stretching across 10 countries, the Danube takes you from Germany to the Black Sea. Explore historic gems like Vienna and Budapest. Now on to my number 2 route, and it's the Rin River. Famous for its castles, this route takes you through Germany, France, and the Netherlands. My number 3 route is often referred to as the River Cruise Journey of Love. If you guessed the Rin River, you are correct, my friends. A river cruise on the Seine is a romantic journey through France, including stops in Paris and Monet's garden at Giverny. I highly recommend adding a pre- or post-cruise stay in Paris or the Bordeaux region. Now on to my growing new favorite river cruise route, the Doro River. Winding through Portugal's wine country, this route offers stunning scenery and incredible wine experiences. You can easily extend your vacation by adding on a pre- and post-cruise stay in Porto. And last but not least, my top 5 river cruise route is the Rin River. Flowing through the south of France, this cruise offers culinary delights and historical treasures. I recommend again a Paris extension, or why not venture into the south of France and explore Nice. Okay, at the beginning of this video, I promised to share with you my hidden gem. My hidden gem is the Doro River in Portugal. You'll experience fewer crowds, world-class wine, and breathtaking landscapes, all of which make it a standout. Thanks for watching. Ready to plan your European river cruise adventure? Reach out. I'll help you craft the perfect river cruise itinerary that fits all your travel needs. Stop wasting your time researching the perfect river cruise for you. Let our experts give you back your time and sanity by planning every detail. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any travel insights. See you next time. Bye.